Hey guys, welcome to Street Tune. In today's video, we're going to be installing a Zoom performance harness on the Project Drift car R33. Enjoy. Alright guys, so right now, Adrian's installing the harness into his Project car.
That hook fits.
So he got lucky because our drive side already has how much hooks? 2 hooks already, and there's already a big enough hole right there.
And right there.
Yep, and he just needs to. Oh, does that fit?
Yeah.
Oh, so it's already got.
These are OEM spots,
Beautiful.
which is off its head with these fit.
So it doesn't need to drill holes like he did right there.
I came out absolutely butchered. But it's alright.
Gets the job done.
Bombaclat.
So the harnesses that we are putting in this vehicle are from Zoom. The jack, the fucking stick.
You hit it?
Yeah.
On off what?
Kinda hurt my shin, bro. Anyways, from Zoo Performance, those are the harnesses, yeah?
Yeah.
What are they, 6-point?
Yeah, 6-point harnesses.
These are 6-point harnesses.
Shout out to Super Performance for hooking us up with them.
Pretty nice. We got them installed into the Barra 33. Show you how they look. I don't think you guys have seen this yet, but they look pretty good. You guys will see a video on this maybe later. It doesn't have a gearbox right now, it has a blown gearbox, so it's been on the trailer for about 6 months or so. But yeah, we're looking for a gearbox for it. We haven't yet to find one, but got some bride seats over here for this 33. What are you looking for? Oh, so you're just like standing around?
Just hanging around.
This thing is so dusty. Ah, damn.
I know.
Think are we gonna do a video on this washing it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, what are we doing now?
Now we're gonna drill a hole, another hole for one of these fucking hooks to go in the tunnel.
Yep.
Before we do that, I need to get under the car, make sure I'm not gonna drill into something important.
Let me give you a little history. So Adrian was drilling a hole. He was drilling a hole through the Barrett 33 and no, they must know.
It's not essential.
They must know. So he was drilling a hole through the 33 and he drilled into the fuel line.
The hard line.
Or the hard line.
Which makes...
And what happened after that?
It sounds kind of dumb because they're kind of impossible to drill through, but I make things work.
Yeah, but what happened? Like,
then, it was like 2 days before a drift event. And I'm stressing out because I can't find the hard line. Sent it over to Radjo Racing Developments. Sourced the hard line. That's it. Got it fixed.
oh yeah? Nothing leaked?
What leaked?
It leaked.
No. Her fucking perfection.
Wow.
Yeah.
So we've got 2 hooks here. Then we've got 1 hook there. 2 more hooks right there. And we'll do the drive side later once we've got this all sorted out. Like, what's your jumper doing here, bro? Your jumper.
Oh, what about that?
What a silly man. So we're now testing the harness. See if everything's all good. Wow, an RX-7 just drove past. Beautiful. Fitting?
Yeah. It's got enough in it.
Good enough. So if you're in the passenger, you're gonna buy wood.
Yeah.
Doesn't budge.
You're in.
Does not budge.
I ain't going nowhere.
But all that mess in the back, all that mess
I talk about it.
is for this project car right here that you haven't really been revealed to yet, but a video will be on it pretty soon.
Another episode.
Soon.
Soon.
And you will see it on the track as well, drifting.
Soon.
Oh, little sneak peek. Ooh, hell tech.
Is this too short? I think it is. Nah.
I'm gonna chuck it in time lapse now.
What we're doing with the handbrake setup is, because we want to leave this stock handbrake on, because eventually we want to get this thing on the street, we're going to relocate this to closer to the passenger side, and we're going to chuck the hydro right here where this sits. And yeah, it's going to be pretty hectic, I can't lie.
Adrian has installed the seats into the car.
Not really, not yet.
Not yet. Halfway. What are you doing now? Just tightening.
Actually, I'm loosening.
Why loosening?
Done them too tight. Now the front ones don't align.
What are you doing now, G?
Feeding in the rear harness. Oh,
That looks clean. Let me come to the other side. Oh, what a sound.
you know what? Let's give her a test fit, eh?
Adrian's giving me a test fit right now, see if it pretty solid.
Bang. Perfect.
Move around and shit.
Got the anti-submarine as well. If you crash, you don't slide under. Look. Look mad.
Yeah, they look pretty mad. What's those two red things?
So you can grab them from the sides.
Oh,
Can't
fair
reach
enough.
it.
That's mad.
Yeah, smart. Like that. That's the biggest problem. Sometimes I can't see it and I'm just looking everywhere for it. Now, they're bright red, and just grab it.
done here. Got the seats in, the harnesses in, Zoom performance. They look pretty good. Yeah, it took a while. Took how long? 2.5 hours?
Give or take.
Yep, 2.5 hours. Dark outside. Gonna close out the video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.